students, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, percentage. We know that the number 100 has got a special importance in various fields of life. It is used in all currency notes. It is the total marks that can be scored in a paper in school examinations, and in cricket if a player scores 100 runs. It is considered a great event. The importance of 100 is found in mathematics too and is useful in comparing situations and quantities. The term percent comes from the Latin word percent, which means out of 100. This we can say that a fractional number with 100 as denominator is known as percentage. When we say that Pawan got 90% marks in mathematics, we mean that he got 90 marks out of 100 marks. The symbol of percentage is this, okay? Percentage, symbol of percentage. This 80% means 80 by 100. 25% means 25 by 100, okay? Expressing a percentage into a fraction or a decimal. To convert a percentage into an equivalent fraction or decimal, the percentage numeral is divided by 100. Example 1, express the following as a fraction. Okay, we have given percentage 25%, we have to express it as a fraction. Okay, so to remove the symbol of percentage, we have to divide this number by 100. Okay, now we can simplify it 1 by 4. Okay, next is 7 whole 1 by 5%. First, we will convert it into improper fraction, that is 7 5s are 35 plus 1, 36 by 5%. Okay, now 36 by 5 divided by 100. Okay, and 36 by 5 into 1 by 100. Right, now you can reduce it to lowest terms. 4 9s are 36 and 25. So 9 by 25 5s are 125. Okay, so 9 by 125 is a fraction. Similarly, this is in decimal. Okay, so how will we convert it into fraction? First, 3.5 by 100. Okay, now there is a decimal, so we have to remove this decimal. So how are we going to remove this decimal? Have a look. We will see there are one decimal places, so what will we do? 35 by 100 into, we will divide this by 10. Okay, so now you can change it into lowest term also. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 25. So 7 by 200 is a fraction, right? Now example 2, express the following percentage as decimals. Okay, now we have given percentage and we have to express them as decimals. Okay, so first one we have is 65%. Okay, so 65 by 100. Okay, but we have to convert it into decimal. So 65, and there are 2 zeros in 100, so we will put decimal after 2 digit starting from the right. So 1 2 decimal, so 0.65. Similarly, next is 11.5%. Okay, it is already in decimal, but it is in percentage. So 11.5 upon 100. Okay, then now we will remove this decimal, and after removing the decimal, we will divide it by 10. Okay, so 115 by 1000. Now there are 3 zeros in 1000, so we will put decimal after 3 digits starting from the right. 1 2 3 decimal and 0. Okay, similarly you will do this example also. Next, converting a fraction and a decimal into a percentage. Rule: to convert a fraction or a decimal into a percentage, multiply by 100%. Okay, students, remember, whenever you have to convert a fraction or a decimal into a percentage, you will always have to multiply them by 100%. Okay, for example, convert the following fractions into a percentage. Okay, first one is 3 by 25. Okay, we have to convert this fraction into percentage, so we will multiply by 100%. Okay, now 5 5s, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So 12% is the answer. Okay. Next is 1 by 12. We'll do this with the same method, right? Now let's check this out. 2 whole 1 by 4. Okay, so we have this 2 whole 1 by 4. First, we will convert it into improper fraction. 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Now multiply by 100% because we have to convert this mixed number into a percentage, right? Now 4 ones are 4, 4, 25. So 19, 9 into 25 is 225%. Okay. Now let's move on to next example. Convert the following decimals into a percentage. Now we have to convert decimal into percentage. So what will you do? Rule is same. We have to multiply by 100%. Okay. So 0.8 into 100%. So 800, and then we will put a decimal after one digit starting from the right. So this. So this is 80%, right? Next we have 0.028, and we have to convert this into percentage. So what will we do? Multiply it by 100%. Okay. 2800, and now you will put decimal after 3 digits. Why? Because there are 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So 2.8% is the answer, right? To find the percentage of a given quantity. Example, what percentage is 1 minute of 1 hour? You know, 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes, right? And required percentage is 1 by 60 of 100%, right? So you will get what? You can cut it. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 5 by 3%. Thus, to find the percentage of another, divide the number with the other and then multiply by 100%. To find certain percentage of a given quantity, first express the given percentage as a fraction and then multiply it by the given quantity. For example, find 80% of 200. Okay, 80% of 200. Okay, so 80 upon 100, because first we will remove the percentage. Okay, then multiply of means multiply 200. 0 0 goes, 0 0 goes, so this is 160. So 80% of 200 is 160. Next, example 7. What is a 25% of 500? This is same as we did in example 6. Okay, example 8. A man earns 8,600 per month. If he spends 80% of the income and the rest he saves, how much money does he save every month? Okay, so let's check this out. Percentage of expenditure. He spends. How much he spends? He spends 80% of his income. Okay. Now, how much he saves? Then, so what will you do? You will minus 80% from 100%. Okay. So he saves 10% of his income, and we have to find out his savings. So his savings are 20% of his income. Okay, his income is how much? His income is 8,600. Now 20 by 100 into 8600. So 0 2 zeros goes, and the answer is 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. So he saves out of his income rupees 1,720, right? Example 9. A metal contains 60% of tin, 25% of zinc, and the rest is brass. Find the quantity of brass in 600 grams of this metal. Okay. Tin is 60%, zinc is 20%, and rest is brass. So how we gonna find out what is the percentage of brass? So what will we do? We will add percentage of tin, that is 60, and percentage of zinc, that is 25%. So 60 plus 25% is 85%. Okay, and then we will minus from 100. Okay, let's do it. So what will we do? You know the percentage of tin is 60%. Zinc you have 25%. Now we have to find out the percentage of brass. Okay, so 100 minus 60 plus 25%. So 100 minus 85 is equals to 15%. Okay, so we have to find out the quantity of brass also. So quantity of brass is a 15% of 600 gram. Okay, 15 upon 100 into 600. 2 zeros go, and 15 6 are 90. So 90 gram is the quantity of brass, and do not forget to write the quantity. Okay. Okay. Similarly, example, you will do example 10, right? Now let's do exercise 6.1. Write each of the following as a percentage. 4 by 5. We have to write this as percentage, and what will we do? We will multiply by 100. 5 2s are 10 and 0. So 4 2s are 8 and then it's 1 0. So 80%. Right, students? And question number 2, convert each of the following decimals into percent. What will you do? Again, you will multiply by 100. So 25 and then 200, 2 zeros, and then we'll put decimal after 2 digits, 1 2. So this is a 25%. Right, students? Now you will do practice of remaining questions.